Hey guys, just want to let you know that a new tutorial is now available. This one deals with Vulkan Validation Layers, which is a means to discreetly check your application to make sure it's following specifications and not doing anything unusual or causing any issues or problems or errors in your application. It's very powerful because it gives you a lot of control. You could abort calls based on the issue that arises, or you can continue the call. You could turn off the validation layers. Let's say for when you're shipping your product, your final product to the market, you could turn it off. It is a discrete entity and layer within the Vulkan application process, which means it's not combined with any driver of any sort, which makes it easier to just focus on debugging and not have to worry about per device drivers or anything like that. So this is the most efficient way for you to learn about Vulkan validation layers. It includes source code, example code, and it includes diagrams, so you could follow through and understand how the application is running, what's going on in a very real way. So you have a choice. You could, plow through all the documentation and conversations that are scattered all over the internet, or you could spend 2 hours with this video walkthrough. The video walkthrough is about 133 minutes long. You could spend 2 hours with a video walkthrough and go from zero to hero in basically a little bit of time. So I'm sure you guys who are into computer graphics, your time is expensive. You programmers out there or people who want to get into programming, this is the most efficient way to do it on the internet, to learn validation layers, learn what it's doing, see code running in real time, tinker with the code, all that good stuff. If you value your time for the less than the cost of for the cost of Starbucks coffee, so if you value your time, definitely check out this tutorial. Again, source code and diagrams included, and you will see how to implement Vulkan validation layers. Also, check out my other tutorials. The first one deals with just getting Vulkan running on a Windows machine, and the second tutorial is about getting a Vulkan instance going. So this is the third one. This deals with the validation layer, and it's a very important topic. So definitely check it out. Also visit cudaeducation.com. That's CUDA education.com for other great tutorials and things of that nature. All right. Have a great day.